Portioning foods and meal prepping are the best ways for creating new healthy habits, especially with a reliable kitchen scale like the eTech City EK6314 digital kitchen scale. Constructed with durable tempered glass, this scale is compact and equipped with an 11-pound weight capacity to weigh large amounts of food. Its sleek design also allows for easy storage while maximizing space in your kitchen. The dual button design makes turning on and operating the kitchen scale effortless. Use the unit button to switch between metric and imperial units to accurately measure ingredients for all your recipes. The tare function enables you to measure smaller ingredients or liquids in containers without having to do any calculations. To tare weight, place the container on the platform and press the tare button. The display will read 0 and you can add the food or liquid into the container. You'll see the measurements on the LCD screen. An auto zero function even recalibrates the scale after each measurement. No need to fiddle with the scale before your next measurement. Utilize all of these amazing features to perfectly portion your meals. It's your secret for building a healthier living. Create and portion enticing meals in the kitchen with the help of the eTech City EK3550 digital kitchen scale. You'll be able to measure a wide array of ingredients ranging from spices to cut pieces of meat using the included 27-ounce bowl. Select ounces, fluid ounces, and pounds to instantly switch over to metric units. The EK3550 is designed to differentiate between milk and water to accurately measure out liquids for your recipes. Set the scale on the water mode for liquids with a lighter density such as cooking oil or fruit juices. The milk mode should be used for denser liquids like heavy whipping cream or almond milk. The unique bowl design also makes it easier to pour liquids and ingredients without having to worry about any spills or potential messes. You can even swap out the included bowl for your own container using the tare function. When you're finished weighing your ingredients, simply flip the bowl over and place it on top of the scale and store it away. With the eTech City EK3550 digital kitchen scale, not only can you perfectly portion your meals, you'll also be able to build new healthy habits.
Step, 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 step by step, I fell in love with you, and step by step, it wasn't hard to do. One word led to another, and then in no time we're up to 10. My heart knew it was gonna end in love. First step, a sweet hello. Second step, my heart said low. Third step, we had a day. Fourth step, stayed out late. Fifth step, I walked you home. Sixth step, we're all alone. Seventh step, we took a chance. One kiss and true romance. Step by step, we climbed to heaven's door. And step by step, each thrill invited more. Then you promised faithfully all your love belonged to me. Now I know we'll always be in love. First step, a sweet hello. Second step, my heart said low. Third step, we had a day.
Hands can do wondrous things. They can explore, nurture, solve problems, even make magic. Those hands of all shapes and sizes have a lot to do every day. They just need the right tools for the job. Our story began with love. Our founder created the first OXO peeler for a pair of hands he loved more than his own. That sort of love inspires everything we do, how we work, and what we create. We test and we learn first with our own hands. Then we place our tools in the hands of others and learn some more. We obsess over details until all of the thought that goes into our design comes to life. Whatever you do, we want to help you do it better. Your everyday tasks, everyday chores, everyday wins, everyday rituals, everyday celebrations, everyday labors of love. From our hands to yours, we're always within reach.
We know it's hard to choose the right scale. That's why we've reviewed hundreds of them, designed a few of our own, and found 3 things that you should be asking. Does it have the right specs? Is it well designed? And is it a good overall value? But if you're anything like us, you know that a product is more than a list of features, and that all of the people connected to a product are just as important as the product itself. That's why at Greater Goods we believe in shopping without compromise. You'll get a quality product that's responsibly made at a fair price. We'll back the product with lifetime, responsive and friendly support. And together, we give a portion of the profits to charities making a difference. So if you're looking for a thoughtfully designed scale that's made in the right way, then this is the easy choice. Hope this helps. Happy shopping.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.